currently sleeping. Ethos, which is embarrassing. But, oh boy, he's awake! No! No! Chicken, 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 settle down! Chicken! I'm coming for you, chicken! I definitely didn't just jump on her.
Bruh.
Chicken's on the loose! Chicken! Wait, no, I didn't see that!
Finish him.
No! I said the wrong thing! Oh god. No! Chicken has a Logan! Chicken is in his natural habitat. That's sad. Currently not skiing, which is sad. But oh boy. Wait. He's not grabbing something. I don't know what he's getting. I bet he's grabbing his legs. Ow! Oh, chicken is back. Sweet. Yep, told you. I win. Haha. You owe me $100. The dinosaur sleeping. You know, chickens are the closest thing we have to dinosaurs. Wow! Okay. What is he doing? What is he doing? Chicken is laughing. Are you